Hi, my name is Heather Edgar. I'm Curator of Human Osteology at the Maxwell Museum of Anthropology, and I'm also Assistant Professor of Anthropology at UNM. And I'm one of the two lead investigators on this project. Before I came to New Mexico, I had worked with African Americans trying to understand how their biology changes over time. It's interesting because most people think that race and ethnicity are natural categories that don't change, that are stable through time and fit everybody equally. But that simply isn't true. If you look at the biology of African Americans, it's different from early colonial era to the historic era to today. So when I came to New Mexico, I became interested in the people of Spanish-speaking descent and how history has been influenced by the idea of Spanish-speaking ethnicity over time in this state. There's a lot of different perspectives on ethnicity in Hispanics in New Mexico, and we wanted to investigate the biological, the social, and the cultural consequences of these ideas. So one of the parts I've been responsible for this study are the phenotypic components. And I've always been really interested in the fact that people feel that they can recognize ethnicity in others, usually just by looking at them. But when we try to understand what it is that they're seeing and how consistent they are in recognizing differences between groups, it's really hard to do. So if we ask somebody to look at another individual and say, is this person Spanish or Mexican or Nuevo Mexicano or Chicano, most people agree on membership for other individuals. But if we ask them, what is it that you're seeing that indicates this, most people disagree on what the reasons are. I'm interested in exploring that. So we've worked with 3D photos, with genetics, with skin color, and a lot of other information that we've asked our participants for to try and better understand what people are seeing and what the consequences are for this variation in ethnicity. We're still really working on it. It's at the very beginning of a very hard question, so we still have a lot more to learn on the subject.